In the rural Spanish village of Pueblo, an eerie silence hung in the air. The once peaceful town was now gripped by an unspeakable terror. Leon S. Kennedy, a seasoned government agent, arrived in Pueblo searching for Ashley Graham, the president's daughter. She had been kidnapped by a mysterious cult known as Los Illuminados. As Leon delved deeper into the village, he encountered unsettling creatures, the Ganados. These twisted, humanoid abominations were once villagers, now infected by a mind-controlling parasite called Las Plagas. The cult's dark secret. Leon soon discovered that Los Illuminados was led by Osmond Sadler, a charismatic and ruthless leader. Sadler sought to harness the power of Las Plagas to control the world. The cult's dark rituals and human experiments had unleashed unholy terrors upon the village. Leon faced hordes of Ganados, from chainsaw-wielding maniacs to giant, tentacled monstrosities. Descent into madness. As Leon navigated the village, he encountered other survivors, including Luis Serra, a scientist who had worked on the Las Plagas project. Together, they unraveled the cult's sinister plans. However, the lines between reality and madness blurred. Leon's own sanity was tested by the unrelenting horrors he faced. The final confrontation. Leon's quest led him to the cult's stronghold, where he confronted Sadler. The cult leader's true form was revealed, a grotesque, mutated creature driven by an insatiable hunger for power. In a heart-pumping, action-packed climax, Leon defeated Sadler, saving Ashley and shattering the cult's grip on Pueblo. The legacy of horror. Resident Evil 4's chilling tale left an indelible mark on the survival horror genre. The game's masterful blend of tension, gore, and atmospheric dread set a new standard for horror gaming. Leon's ordeal served as a grim reminder, in a world where terror lurks around every corner, courage and determination are the only weapons against the darkness. Would you like me to 1. Summarize the entire Resident Evil series? 2. Explore other horror game stories? 3. Discuss Resident Evil 4's gameplay mechanics? 4. Something else?